Alright guys, welcome back. La Architects here. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make your own Revit families using the extrusion tool. So this is gonna be very simple. It doesn't matter if you just started using Revit. It's pretty straightforward. We're gonna do it using the extrusion tool only. Okay, once you have your project file open, go to File, New, Family, and then look down for furniture. Alright, that's done. Alright, okay, and then go to create an extrusion and make the outline of your sofa. I'm gonna make the outer shell of it. The dimensions do not matter here. It's just for the sake of the tutorial, but in real life you're gonna have to use your own real dimensions, you know. Okay, let me, I think this is fine. I'm just doing it freehand here, okay? But in real life you would use your own dimensions. Okay, this is the outer shell. That's done. That's done. Go to 3D view and take a look at it. Yeah, I think this is fine. If you want to bring it up a little bit, just click in and bring it up a little bit. Alright, this is the outer shell. That's done. Let's do the cushions now in the middle, and yeah. Okay, the same steps again. Go to extrusion. Okay, we're gonna make a platform where the cushions will sit on. Let's just make okay, I think this is fine. Once again, select it, go to 3D view, adjust it as you want it to be adjusted, bring it down. Okay, I think this is fine. If you want to have a space below, you can also have a space below. It doesn't matter. Well, if we're gonna have a space below, we're gonna have something below also for the support. So you can just do the support using the same steps, but I'm gonna have mine touch the floor because it's gonna be wood anyway. Okay, and then let's make the cushions. Same steps again. Create, extrusion, and then we're making the cushions now from here to there. All right, let's just modify the ends a little bit. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay, let me yeah, let me just mirror this to the other side. Okay, that's done. Move it a little bit. Okay, just play with it and then adjust it. That's it. It's nothing complicated. This is about it. And then yeah, I think I kind of like the cushions. This space here, it comes out. Okay. Alright, we go to the 3D view again and adjust the cushions accordingly. Let me bring it down a little bit. Bring this one down, further down, and then bring this one down a little bit. I think this is fine. Alright, that's okay. Now we can make actually we can make some more cushions out of this. If you want to do that, there is no need to panic. Alright, just let me show you how to do the top and side cushions out of this one. Just copy it. Make sure you click on constraint to remove it. Copy it up. Okay, turn again, bring it down a little bit. Okay, take it up and then move it back. You see what I mean? You can actually work with the same stuff just by copying and pasting it. Alright, I think it's fine now. Okay, that's done. Let's go to consistent colors and add materials now. Okay, in order to add materials, you need to go to manage and create your own materials first. Once you go to manage, click on the circle sign with the plus sign, new material. I'm gonna name this wood. Okay, and then come down again, open or close as asset browsers, look for wood. Okay, I'm gonna go with the birch. I like this wood. All right, and then go to graphics, use render appearance, apply. Okay, so I'm gonna apply that to the frame of it. Go to modify, come to paint. Okay, the wood is already selected. Just paint the sides one by one. Okay, all right, this is okay, painted. This is wood too. I want this to be wood. Now I'm gonna, okay, where is the back side of it? It's all done. I want the sofas to be white, the cushions of the sofa to be white. So let's go back to manage again, materials, create new material, new sofa, white. You can name it whichever name you feel like naming it. All right, and then let's look for a fabric. Do we have a, okay, dark brown, gray fabric? Okay, I'm gonna go with the white fabric here. All right, get out of there, graphics, use render appearance. All right, and then paint it. Go to modify, paint, sofa white fabric. Okay, just paint the sides and the top of it. This is pretty much it. Let me go to realistic and see. Okay, this is how it's gonna look now. Okay, this is actually kind of ugly for the sake of the tutorial, but it doesn't matter. Let me move this back a little bit. But you get the point, right? You get the process. This is how you do it. It does not matter, because it's nothing hard. You can adjust it later on to your own taste. Okay, and then if you want to load it into your project, just load it into project, and that's it. Let me load another one here, another one here, turn it, rotate, and then rotate it again. All right, let me move them further back. Let me make a 3D view and render it for you. 3D view. Okay, that's done. Okay, and then let's render it in cloud. Okay, email me when it's done. Image, final. I'll go with okay, large. Okay, render it. Continue in background. Alright, the rendering is done, and here is the rendered version of it. As you can see, you can make anything using the extrusion tools. It's very simple, it's very easy, it's not gonna give you a headache. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.